Nah, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's not the saucy chef, she got skills. Not the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making beef tips with gravy. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of beef broth, 1 pound of stew meat, 1 bay leaf, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 of an onion diced, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. In a heated Dutch oven, I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to add in our stewed meat, and we're going to let that brown. Once your stewed meat has browned, we're going to remove it from our pot and set it to the side. Now you can add your onion in and let that saute for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can add in your minced garlic, and we're going to let that saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, return your beef back to your pot. I'm going to go ahead and mix it well. Now you want to add in your ground black pepper and also your sea salt, and we're going to mix it until it's well combined. And now you can add in your 4 cups of beef broth. I'm going to go ahead and give that a mix. Now you can also add in your Worcestershire sauce, your soy sauce, and you can also add in your bay leaf and mix until well combined. And we're going to let that come up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and lower your heat to medium-low. We're going to cover it, and we're going to let it cook for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Okay guys, now you want to grab a bowl, a small bowl. We're going to add our cornstarch in. Then we're going to add in our water. And we're going to mix it until it's well combined. After 1 hour and 40 minutes, our beef tips are now tender. So we're going to add in our slurry. And we're just going to mix it until well combined. And you're going to allow it to continue to cook until your gravy has thickened up. Okay guys, so our beef tips are now done. As you can see, the gravy has thickened up. Okay guys, so you can serve the gravy and beef tips over top of mashed potatoes, or you can put it over top of white rice or brown rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.